Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Favorite with Flavor. I'm Jakentra, and I'm gonna show you how to make my creamy crawfish and sausage pasta. This is a 20-minute meal. It is so quick and easy to make during the week, save you a whole lot of time. So if you guys wanna see how I make that, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. So before we start, I wanna showcase the sausage that I will be using today. So I'm not using your regular andouille sausage or smoked sausage, but I do love this brand and I do love this flavor. And I think that it will be perfect for this pasta dish. So this is what I'm going to be using today. This is, let me make sure I pronounce this correctly, okay? This is kielbasa. If I am pronouncing this wrong, somebody correct me in the comments, okay? It is kielbasa, and it's the roasted garlic smoked sausage flavor, okay? All right, so now we have prepped everything. So now we have all of our veggies prepped. We got a Roma tomato, a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, a red onion, purple onion. It's a purple onion, okay? It's not red, it's purple. And then we have our minced garlic, okay? And we also chopped up our sausage. And we have some fresh parsley, okay? So now that we've got all the prep work out the way, let's go ahead and get cooking. So as far as the crawfish goes, this is the crawfish that I will be using. It's just out the frozen section in your grocery store, okay? So this is the one. Okay, so now as far as my pasta goes, I decided to use a garden style pasta. For the color, of course, as well, but it's a healthier choice to use. You know, we're trying to do healthy this year. Now, we're not doing diet, okay? I don't want to be on no diet. No, I'm choosing healthier options for this year, okay? So again, I decided to use this garden pasta. So I'm gonna get this on to boil, but while I'm waiting on my water to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and get my sausage cooking. So I do have my skillet heating up now. We're gonna add in a little bit of this olive oil. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. Maybe like a tablespoon. Add that right on in there. Let that heat on up. And then we're gonna add in our sausage.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
So I just let my sausage cook for about 5 minutes to cook off some of that fat. So now we're just going to add in our onions and our bell peppers and let that cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to go back and add in our garlic and our tomatoes. I let my tomatoes and garlic cook about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm just going in with about a table to 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're gonna let that flour cook off for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So here I'm just adding in a cup of whole milk. Once you get your milk in, make sure your eye is on a low setting. So now we're going to season up our sauce with about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and some paprika. Now we're gonna add in our crawfish. Make sure you keep the juice because the juice adds extra flavor.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey.
Now, once you get your sausage and your crawfish in, at this point, you're gonna let this cook down for about another 5 to 10 minutes.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
So now that we're done, we're just gonna plate this up. I do have some garlic bread in the oven right now, but it is not done yet. All I'm going to do, I'm just going to top this with just a little bit more Parmesan cheese, just like so. We're gonna go in with just a touch of chopped parsley. And of course, you know, we gotta pour up a glass of wine, a glass of wine, okay? Perfect.
Make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, way.
All right, so now we just want to do a taste test, okay? Let's just dig right on in. We got our tomatoes, we got some bell peppers and some onions, we got some sausage and some crawfish. You can't go wrong. It is perfect, y'all, okay? Please go on and make you some. Let me get one more bite. One more bite. Damn, breakfast, the food is good. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please be looking forward to me all year long for some great recipes. I'm also going to be introducing some juicing because we're going to get some juicing in this year. It's all about being a little bit more healthy, okay? So remember, you guys are always favored with flavor when you are in the kitchen. If you have not subscribed, please do hit that bell so you never miss a video upload from me. And I will see you guys next time. Cheers.